Hello, my name is Emily Stockton, and welcome to my final project presentation summary on JSTOR for humanities students and the search techniques. Let's jump on in. So my target audience is undergraduate students in the humanities who often find databases like JSTOR overwhelming. I've experienced this firsthand, and I wanted to create something that would help other students avoid that same confusion. In this project, I wore multiple hats. I was the researcher, the instructional designer, and the presenter. I designed the slides, created a survey, and structured a learning pathway that teaches JSTOR use step by step. Now let's look at what students will learn through this tutorial. First, they'll understand the range of resources available on JSTOR: journals, primary sources, books, and more. Next, they'll learn about how to access JSTOR either through their own institution or via the website. Then, we cover core and advanced search techniques, including Boolean logic, filters, and citation tools. Finally, they'll know where to find help, including tutorials and support documents built into JSTOR's website. By the end, students should feel more confident using JSTOR to support their academic work. Of course, instruction is not complete without feedback and evaluation. I developed a testing plan to assess what students learn. This includes peer discussions, a short quiz, and a post-tutorial reflection. I also created a survey to capture learners' experiences and ideas for improvement. One engaging component that I would like to implement is a JSTOR scavenger hunt, where students can apply what they've learned to locate specific resources and tools inside JSTOR's website. It turns abstract concepts into active problem solving and also gives students hands-on experience with the database itself. So how do we know this works? Success means students can demonstrate search proficiency. They should be able to use JSTOR's filters, apply Boolean operators effectively, and find support resources when needed. This isn't just about technical skill, it's about building confidence in digital research. When learners show they can perform these tasks accurately and independently, we know our objectives have been met. Finally, some reflections. I learned how critical it is to tailor content for beginners, especially when explaining technical tools. I worked hard to simplify complex features without making them too simple or not thorough enough. A key challenge was fitting all the material into such a short video. That 5-minute maximum limit was very hard, but it forced me to focus, which was actually a gift. It kept the tutorial leaner and, more learner-friendly and clear. I also saw the value of surveys and quizzes to gather real user feedback, and I'm now more interested than ever in creating digital literacy content that empowers students. Thank you so much for listening. If you'd like to, look at the slides or the full tutorial video, both are available in the links in my submission or in my caption. You can go ahead and check them out there. I also have another YouTube video of me presenting my YouTube presentation, and I will also put that in my caption. I really hope this work helps demystify JSTOR and other academic databases for students and shows the power of an effective instructional design and effective search techniques. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for listening.